Alright, just wanted to do a quick little video about this Sightmark laser bore sight. This is the cheaper one. I got it off Amazon for like 30 bucks. I got it. It didn't come with very many instructions on how to actually load this thing up with batteries, but I'm going to tell you real quick. It comes with this little guy here. This acts as a single battery. You're going to have 3 batteries. They all need to go this way with this side up directly in to that little guy. So maybe I can do that here without needing some assistance. And then this unit, it's going to go nub side towards the arbor. So you just take him and put him in just like this. And if you did it right, as you can see, laser's working. Otherwise, this button, if it's not in there right, it'll be real loose, like it's almost defective or something. I just figured I would share that with you guys because I just got this thing and I thought mine was defective. Seems like it'll work for what I need. It'll get me on paper. That's all that I need it for, and that's all that I ask from it. So, hope this helps. Thanks.